everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install Python IDE and PyCharm and for the PC. For the mobile applications, we will be learning how to install and how to run our code and practice in the Coder app, which will be available in the Play Store. After completing the installation, we will be directed to the mobile screen and learn how to install and learn in one by one step by step process how to create our Python files in mobile, and we can also try how to debug or run or compile the program in the process. Let us open Chrome and search for Google. First of all, we will learn how to install PyCharm. Just in the top search button, just type PyCharm, PyCharm, download. The first link which will be available on your desktop screen, it is the correct version and the official website of the PyCharm, where you will be having two domains. One is professional and another one is community. You can also download for the Mac version OS and Linux version OS. As I am using the Windows, I will be going for the professional one, which will be comfortable for everyone. Here are the some installation instructions. Just after clicking the download, the exe file will be available for you. Here when we go scroll down, here there are solutions also which will be provided, and some product IDEs and some solutions of the C++, data tools, DevOps, education, game development, and other languages also. I am not installing this software as this is for the beginners. Now I am going to install the Python IDE. Just as it is, just type Python and click on downloads. Here is the first link which will be provided. Let us scroll down and see what are the other features, as there are many programming softwares. As you can see here, there are many, and there are some documentation types also you can be installed. Let us go for installation process. In the downloads, you can see here Python 3.9.5. just click on that, or you can just click on download Python 3.9.5. After clicking this, the file will be downloaded. Let's wait for some minutes to download. As it is downloaded, go for download session, and here it is the Python 3.5 9.5 application. Just click on that, as I have already installed it. Here I have already installed the Python software, so I am going to upgrade now. It takes just a few minutes to upgrade all the setup, installation process, and some libraries which will be updated. I am disabling the path length, so it may be in the same path. Here it is, Python was successful. And I am going to the Windows button and searching for the Python. Just clicking on P, and my Python file will be opened. Let us check it is working in the right condition or not by the CMD prompt. I will be typing just a print statement which will execute easily without any error free. For printing that statement, I am entering just print print open parenthesis and double quotes, welcome to Arimas Robotics, and closing the double quotes and parenthesis, and clicking on enter. It executes perfectly. Here you can see what I have just said to it, print. It is directly executing without any errors. Let's try another one, print single quotes. Arimas. It has printed. It will takes either single quotes or double quotes. Let's check without any quotations or in parenthesis. uh, Here there is showing some error, so it says that it is working in a perfect manner. My command prompt is in a perfect manner. So let's try without any quotations. Oh sorry, I have to close the parenthesis. Okay, let's try another one and closing it. So here you have seen that the errors have been showing, and the apostrophe apostrophe, or you may say single quotation, is must. It is printing. Okay, well and good. Let's open the Python IDE file, where you will be creating many more Python files and saving it in on your desktop. I am opening the Python IDE file. Okay, here the shell has been IDE. Okay, here you can see there are different options: file, edit, shell, debug, options, windows, and in the help also you can be notified. Okay, let's check whether it is working in a perfect condition or not. You can just restart the shell. Here you can see the shell has been restarted. And let's check the code. Print single quotation open parenthesis. Let's learn more about the upcoming technologies. Closing it, closing parenthesis, and clicking on enter. It executes as it is. Here file, sorry, we can create a new file and maximize it, and you can write a program and save like a file you want it. Here I am going to write a simple program and show how to store as a file. This video contains the installation process. Closing parenthesis, and just clicking on Ctrl S, a new pop-up window will be open. I am storing this file in desktop and just naming it as installation.py. .py is the extension of Python files. Here you can see in the above manner it has been installation.py. Here you can see the different options in file and edit. Also you can find many more options. You can format, and here run. Just clicking on F5 or run module, you can check it. Here configure ID, zoom height, some other options is there. Here is the numbering pattern, show code content. I'm not sure I will disable it. And in the Windows it is showing that the ID and our file name also is present here. And about ID in help, you can see the turtle demo also. Will be teaching this one also for you, and I am running it. Here you can see the output in the shell. This video contains the installation process as it is executed in a perfect manner, and it also shows the file location: C bar users bar del bar desktop bar installation.py. As we have seen the installation process in the computer or laptop. Now let's direct to the mobile screen and install the Coder app and see how it works. Here is my mobile screen in front of you. Hope all can see it. And we are going to install Coder app in the mobile screens. Just click on Play Store. In the search button, just type CODER Coder and click on search. This option, I hope this one, you will see here decoder, compiler code, IDE, coder and program. Just click on as I have already installed it. You can install and the interface will look like this. Here you can learn about the C, HTML, CSS, like this many other files. Just click on start coding, and if you want to create an article, you can create article. As we are going to create a files, we can just click on here create file or create project. I am going to create file. Here you can choose the programming language what you will be comfortable, or which program you want to program it. Here there are C, Java, C++, Python 3, HTML. This HTML contains these three languages: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And C Hash, PHP, Python 2, Node.js, Visual Basic. As there are many programming languages, I prefer this will be the perfect app for the all programming practicing purposes. Here we are going to learn code about the Python. Just click on Python 3, and first you have to give the file name, enter your file name. I am just entering as a basic.py and clicking on create. Here they have already mentioned print hello decoder. You can type by clicking on the screen and by the options in the keyboard. I am writing another line of a code. Print welcome to Python programming, and closing the parenthesis. You can see here there is a play button like thing. Just click, it is a run option. There will be a terminal opened. Here the first one, it is generated as it is hello decoder, and the second line we have made it welcome to Python programming. By this I am closing this video tutorial, and tomorrow we will be learning more about the variables and operators in depth. Thank you, and hope you all are watching the other courses such as artificial intelligence, voice app training, and shortly we will be introducing a new subject, web development course, which will be completely on full stack development. There we will be teaching about the front end, back end, and how you can create a web pages. If you want, you can ask in the Telegram group, which will be mentioned in the description. Hope you will share this video to all your friends and subscribe for the YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.